Want to unlock the secret to pricing real estate like a pro? Then you're in the right place because today, we're diving deep into how to pull comps on Redfin. First, head over to redfin.com and type in the address of the property you're interested in. This is your starting point for finding similar properties your comps. Next, refine your search. Use the filters to narrow down properties by type like single-family homes or condos, the number of beds and baths, square footage, and lot size. Think about the key features that buyers in this area value most. Now, get strategic with the map. Use the draw tool to define a specific area around your subject property. Ideally, you want to stay within a half-mile radius, but adjust based on the density of the neighborhood. Alright, time to analyze those comps. Look for properties that have sold within the last 3 to 6 months. Recent sales give you the most accurate market data. Pay close attention to their listing price, final sale price, and days on market. Click on each comp to view the full details. Scrutinize the interior and exterior features, upgrades, and overall condition. Make notes of any differences compared to your subject property. A pool, updated kitchen, or finished basement will impact the value. Finally, create a comparison table. Adjust the sale prices of the comps based on the differences you identified. For example, if a comp has a larger lot, subtract a reasonable value from its sale price. Repeat for any other differences to dial in accurate market values. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be pulling comps on Redfin like a seasoned real estate professional, empowering you to make smart, informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks.